If you are unable to access your PayPal account due to lost verification codes, you can follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the PayPal login page. Go to the official PayPal website and click on the login button. When prompted for your credentials, select the option for having trouble logging in. Step 2. Select Account Recovery Options. You will be directed to a page with various recovery options. Choose the option that states you cannot access your verification codes. This will lead you to further recovery methods. Step 3. Verify your identity. PayPal may ask you to verify your identity through other means, such as answering security questions or confirming your identity via email. Follow the prompts provided to complete this step. Step 4. Contact PayPal customer support. If you are unable to recover your account through the online methods, reach out to PayPal's customer support. You can do this via phone or through their help center. Be prepared to provide any necessary information to verify your identity. Step 5. Update your account information. Once you regain access to your account, make sure to update your security settings. Consider adding alternative verification methods such as a backup email or phone number to prevent future access issues. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your PayPal account without verification codes. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to seek help from PayPal support.